Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look using a V-part wig. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So we are going to jump straight into this video. Shout out Sterlyhair company for sending over this wig. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I received. So I got a wig cap, eyelashes, and of course the wig itself. This was a 28-inch body wave V-part wig. So I'm just going to show you guys exactly how it looked. It comes with these clips that you use to secure the wig going around the V part. Then we have the combs at the side. We also have one comb at the back, and of course the adjustable bands. So I'm just giving you guys a look at inside, and of course these body wave waves. I love me a body wave. So this is how the hair looked. Now jumping straight into this tutorial, I decided to go for something different. I wanted to try out how the side part would look because I normally do a middle part with my V-part wigs. So today we're doing a side part. So like always, we're gonna make our part and then we're going to do the V shape for the leave out. I also decided to leave out the side of my hair because I was going for that side part leave out sew-in look, but it's not a sew-in, it's a wig. So you see me leaving out the side as well. Next, instead of braiding my hair, I'm just gonna comb it down into a low ponytail to just make things easier for me. So once I have my hair in a ponytail, I'm just going to put my ends up with a bobby pin to secure it. That way it's easier for me to put the wig on. So some of these V parts come with a band that connects them together. You just want to go ahead and cut that off. That way it is open. And if you know, you know, I love a long part. So I always go ahead and make a little slit in the wig to make my part longer. Just a small one. Then I'm just going to place the wig on my head. I use the comb and I also use the clips. So you want to clip the wig as close to your part as possible. So once the wig is on my head, I'm gonna go ahead and work on my leave out. So when it comes to body wave textures, I like to use my waver, and my waver is from Babyliss. So I use that to blend my leave out with the wig. And as you can see, I didn't really need to when my hair was straight, but you know, we're gonna do this nice and good. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my waver. So I'm going to be using my Pierce Hair wax stick, and I'm just placing it at the top of my hair, and then I'm gonna go in with my waver and wave the hair. So the purpose of using the wax stick, it just makes the hair more clean. It looks way neater. I love it, can't do without it. So if you don't have a wax stick, make sure you get a wax stick because it makes a difference, trust me. And also when I use the waver, I wave some of the hair on the wig with my leave out to make a seamless blend. All right, so I'm just combing it through with my hands. As you can see, look at that, guys, look at that. So I'm going in with my edge booster edge control, and I'm just going to do my edges a bit. You don't have to do edges if you don't want to, but I like having edges. So as you can see, I still have that straight piece left from the side that I left out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wave that as well so it can blend in. And that is basically it for the hairstyle. So you always know when you're almost done, you're feeling yourself already. So I like to use this Cream of Nature gloss spray. It is really good, guys, and it smells really good. So I use the gloss spray, and then I go in with my oil sheen. This smells good as well. I love products that smell good. So I'm just gonna spray that all over my hair. And yeah, this is basically how it looks. And guys, it took literally less than 10 minutes. Literally less than 10 minutes. So make sure you get you a V-part wig because they're great. So, you know, I just took off my cape to show you guys exactly how it was looking. So I just wanted to shout out Sterly Hair Company once again for sending over this unit. You guys, all their info will be down in my description box below. Everything in regards to this wig will be in the description box below. So don't forget to check them out. Click that link. And yeah, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.